Good morning, guys. How's it going? It's Jason again. We're in our 390 and we're doing our shakedown. Kind of ran across a little bit of a water problem. Come to find out that all the sinks, the hot was cold and the cold was hot. We did a little bit of experimenting and yeah, I'll show you what we found. Okay, guys, so as you can see, the hot's over here and then the cold is right here. And if we turn on the hot, let's see if we can get a temperature for you. 95 degrees on hot. Move it to cold. Ooh, that gets hot pretty quick. 106, 109. So you can see that the pipes are backwards. So I did a bit of experimenting. We kind of came down here, made sure that this is truly hot. You can see red to hot, blue to cold. The other nice thing is I did notice that Grand Design did upgrade these. These used to be plastic, but they are now a nice copper, or brass, excuse me, brass. They were having a problem in the vibration of these things cracking, causing a leak. So that was kind of a nice thing to find out. But going back to it, the pipes are routed properly. Red is hot, blue is cold, all the way throughout. We did notice that the shower was proper. It was just the sinks. And the weird thing is it was the kitchen sinks and the bathroom sinks, all backwards. So we pulled out these two drawers and we found the tea. Same thing, still cold, still hot, but I hope you can see that. This is a hot line to the cold, vice versa. And same thing over here, hot and cold. So, relatively simple fix. It's just a matter of make sure you shut your water off, relieve the tension, the pressure off your line. To do it firmly, you should probably hit your low line real quick and release some of the pressure that way. Get you a couple wrenches. And I will tell you the wrenches here in just a minute. And just basically take it off, flip it around. Bango tango, you're good. All right, well, hope that helps somebody out. Appreciate it. If this video helped you out any, feel free to subscribe. Thank you.